Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you guys? Milian just
No,
woke up from a sleep. Milian and Lazen, look at your eyes.
no, ma'am. I woke up like 10 minutes.
Not
I
about
woke up
little.
like 7:30.
Hmm. Okay, Fateh, Ihan, Barira, please turn on the camera and Barira, please come in front of the camera. Where's your background, Barira? Sit down, Barira.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Fateh. Can you turn on the camera? Yes.
Good morning.
But good morning, Ihan. What happened to your background, Barira? Barira, you are not supposed to eat in class. You know the rules. You're supposed to eat before the class. No, that's why you have to manage the time.
Hello, Jovan.
Unmute Barira. I don't want symbols and signals.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Joanne.
I'm not eating.
Hello,
I'm
Jovan.
What are you doing? What is the
drinking.
No, that is not drinking. I saw you taking a bite. You know the
Mm-mm.
classes are recorded. It is recorded. Please don't lie.
Fine, it is, but
Stop eating. You should wake up 10 minutes early, have the breakfast, join the class, okay?
okay. I took it away.
Yeah, good job. Hi, Joanne. Joanne is also kind of sleepy. Oh, guys, you guys should wash your face and come to classes. You look like you just woke up from a sleep. What is wrong with you people?
Ma'am, I
Because
already
everybody
washed.
did woke up from their sleep.
Ma'am, I washed my face with cold water just now.
Do you know at what time I woke up today?
At
Guess.
what time?
Guess.
5 a.m.,
Close.
6 a.m.,
Far.
4 a.m.
Very far.
5:30,
Close.
5:40,
11:30.
Far. Far.
5:35,
Again far.
5:30, right?
Close. Close.
Close. 5:20,
Close.
5:25,
Very close.
5:27,
Far.
5:20,
Very, very, very close. Yes, you're on the way there.
5:10.
5:15. Ah. Yeah, is it cold there? It's cold? No?
Ma'am, how come? Ma'am, how come morning is less and night is more?
Sorry, Farida?
How come morning has less time to go down and
At what time do you wake up, Farida?
like why does the moon take longer to
No,
like
it is going in a normal way. We are just starting our day a bit early,
hmm,
which I think you guys don't like. How many of you don't like to wake up in the morning?
I'm pretty sure Joanne is fussy about it pretty much. Look at his
Every,
face. He's
everyone
saying
likes to wake up in the morning, but I don't
it's
see that
kind of our
excitement.
daily routine now. Just wake up early.
See, only Barira and Milan has the energy. Laser, stop playing in your laptop. This is the first and last warning, Laser. Do you want me to?
Ma'am, if today was off and I work early morning, I think I probably would eat my breakfast or play
Yeah,
football
yeah, and
and
it's
go in head
Ryan's
training
birthday.
like prime mode.
Okay, everyone
Mom,
unmute. Ihan, Johan, Fateh, unmute.
mom, today is my mom's birthday.
Yes, Laser?
Jovan, unmute
Mom,
me.
today is my mom's birthday. Ryan's birthday. Ryan's
Oh,
birthday.
today is Bayan's birthday and Barira's mom's birthday. Both of them are born on the same day. Bayan, I'm going to wish. Definitely. Barira's mom will drop a message. Definitely.
Yeah.
So both Barira and Laser are going to cut
Reason,
cake
you
at
say
home.
bye and I said happy birthday to him.
Why? And this is not
Happy
chat,
birthday
right?
to Millie.
Hey,
Ah,
let me check.
Joanne, are you
Milan, Milan,
there? I
Milan.
don't hear anything from your side.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Come on, knock knock sleepyhead. Come on.
Bro, Alfata, did you remove me from the
Joanne, if
chat?
you're not responding, then I'm not going to give you attendance later. Don't complain, I know
Bro,
that.
why?
Why would I?
Where?
Why would
Bro, I
I?
don't even have my group. Where?
Maybe it's Joan. Joan is also the leader.
Milan, don't open the chat now. Milan,
Joan, did you?
Joanne, sorry, Milan. Put your hands
Like
like
Joanne
this.
only speaks to the boys so clearly, but to the girls, no.
Oh, even he's not
Fine,
talking.
I'm gonna make a new chat.
It's
I
your
am gonna
kind
make
of
a new
girl.
chat.
Joanne does not talk to the girls a lot, but he would talk to all of the boys, except for
Joanne,
the
you can talk
girls.
to girls. That's very mean, Joanne.
Like he only like replies to the boys instead of the girls.
Joanne, someone is
Bro, we
asking
all do
something to
that.
you.
Sup. Bro, we all do that. We don't talk to girls or boys.
Milan, you
Yeah,
talk
because
to
we are
everyone.
No,
enemies.
no.
But ma'am is also a girl, and it's mean for Joanne to say, "I'm not talking to you." But even when he's not, he's just, "Ma'am, I'm ignoring you. That's
Let's
fine."
do
He's,
anything.
he's like
Yes.
that. He's like, "Ma'am, can I ignore you, please?" That's fine.
Okay.
Oh no, ma'am is glitched. No, the only girl here is glitched now.
I'm glitched.
Ma'am, okay, I made a new chat
So
for
I'm
all.
going
Looks,
to drop a message to your dad saying you are not responding in class. He told me in the last PTM to respond if anything happens. So that is what I'm going
Okay,
to do. And I'm going to
I
share
made.
this recording with him so that he can
Ma'am,
see what happens in class.
okay, I made a new chat. I add everything back. So now whoever tries to delete, I will. I want. I will ban them.
While you're there in chat, Milan, share your screen.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the screen?
5.
5,
Can I count?
6,
Can I count?
7.
7,
Yes, Virida.
8, 9,
Done.
10.
I don't know why this came like this, but I don't understand.
Look, see, wait, cut the call thing. No, 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 no. X, Milan.
But
Do you want me to go to the history?
Look, then go. Where is? He deleted it. He deleted it. He deleted it. Look, see, look. Wait, let me put
I
like a
told
comment.
ma'am I closed it.
Look. I'm pretty sure Milan did like this. Wait.
Okay, Johan, I'm taking you to the breakout room. Please join there.
Huh?
Wait, ma'am, just look.
Yes, I can see.
Okay, get
Ma'am,
out of
but yes,
this.
Canva.
Look, see, pretend. No, I put this already because look, pretend this is the whatever he's using, and like before he shared his screen, he just cut, then he shared. I know Milan too much. I know him too much.
How are you able to zoom me?
You
Okay.
don't know how to
So
zoom
here
me.
Johan going to
Yeah, I
breakout room.
already know, and I'm literally zooming. And by the way, I'm quite zooming at you, so.
Yes, I'll just join. Okay. People listen, I'll just join the breakout room and come give you 1 minute. Okay, I need to talk to Johan.
I'm gonna suck a million.
Good morning, Johan.
Morning.
Why you are not responding when I'm asking you something? Huh, Johan?
It was mostly decent.
But still, when the teacher is asking you for so many times, multiple times, you're
My
supposed to
last name
respond.
comes.
Today,
Okay.
how much times I call your name? That kind of rude, right? You know that, right?
Yes.
Next time, when someone calls you, please respond, okay? Will you do that for me?
Yes.
Okay, good job. So I'm getting you back to the room. Remember what I said? You have to respond to teachers. Okay? Okay.
Oh, now You're not hacking, and I'm laughing at you. Ha ha. Ha ha.
Okay, people, action. Why were you not there for assembly? Milan, stop sharing.
I slept.
That is not a good excuse. You're supposed to be there for assembly. Come
Ma'am,
on,
look,
join
it's
on time.
optical
Okay?
illusion. Ma'am, look, it's optical illusion. It's optical illusion.
Kagoshin, what are you saying?
Okay, I see. Do you hear me?
Look, see? Look.
More
Okay, people, I'm
point.
going to my class. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye,
Wait, but
people.
ma'am,
Wait.
look, see, you see what I'm sharing?
I can see. Very nice. See, be nice to teachers and other students as well. Please respond.
It's
And
like a
turn on your
gigantic
camera. Those
glowing
whose
bumper.
cameras are not on, they won't get attendance. Before I'm naming you, your camera
First,
is not
Oh
on.
my
okay,
god.
Maria's camera is not on. Aishin's camera is not on.
Okay, I will on.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Million, if you want to do this
Bye,
optical
ma'am.
illusion,